Welcome into the CueCast. My name is Rob Helt. Today we're going to talk about documents on the back end when you need to replace only one page. Okay, you don't need to replace the whole PDF unless you want to. You certainly could, but I want to give you an example and show you something. I have Exhibit 1 here, and as you can see, I've already done some callouts on Exhibit 1, and I've changed some things on Exhibit 1. So I have 3 pages here that have annotations. And I'm going to push F9 and just get that cleared out real quick. And the lawyers have come to me and they've said, hey, we've got this version now that we want to use. The only thing that has changed, Exhibit 1 now has some redactions, so we'd like you to replace this one. Well, let me show you guys how to do that. I'm actually going to replace the entire thing first, and then I'll show you how to replace a page. So let's do this with this one right here. I'm going to go into my case folder, go into my documents, and you can see here this document is ex1.pdf. The document that I just showed you that I received from the attorneys, I have also named ex1.pdf. I'm going to drag and drop that right here. Now, of course, Windows is going to ask, do I want to replace the file in the destination or do I want to skip this file? I want to replace the file, so I'm just going to hit replace. That's now done. Our very first exhibit is now the one that has the redactions, and it still saved all of our information here. It kept every single one of these callouts and annotations that we had saved. So that's great to be able to do. Let me take this one step further for you. I'm going to replace this EX1 back to the original EX1 that I had. I don't want to replace everything. I just want to replace this first page with one that is not redacted. So in order to do that, I'm going to get my original documents that I have, and I'm going to pull up the EX1, right here it is. I'm going to rename this file, and I'm going to make sure that it's EX1 in here so that we get this completely right, okay? So I'm going to open this file right here. This is the one I want. First thing we're going to do is hit F9 and get this where the PDF is not in use. So here in Acrobat is the original PDF that is not redacted. I'm now going to open the redacted version by opening my case file. Go to EX1. Here is the redacted version. So we have the redacted, we have the unredacted. We just want to replace the first page of the redacted. So right here, what we're going to do is we're going to show our thumbnails. We're going to delete this one. Then we're going to come over here and we're going to move page number 1 over to right here. Now I'm going to close Adobe Acrobat. Close all the tabs, save. So we updated the EX1 in the back of our database. We just replaced the first page. You can do that with any page you want. OnCue is going to pick that change up. Why? Because if we press F4 and we look at the properties, we can see where this file points to, what the full path to this file is. Actually, we can look at the parent and see that it's ex1.pdf. So you can alter these pages however you want to. Remember, F4 is your properties, and there's a lot of information over in this properties pane to be able to see. And these kind of things will help you as you begin to get more advanced with OnCue. Hey, if you like what we're doing, like and subscribe to our channel. We greatly appreciate it, and we'll see you next week.